Welcome back to another Finance Friday with First Ontario's Senior Manager of Business Services, Colin Cyr. And today, we are discussing the circle of professionals that every business should have around them. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Rick. Thanks for having me.
Let's talk about the circle of business professionals. Who are these people?
Yeah, when we talk about what a business owner has to do on a regular basis, they have to wear a ton of hats, right? Owner, manager, marketer, financial controller, the person who's sweeping the doorstep.
Window cleaner.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's all there. And it can be a lot for a business owner. And the truth is that a business owner doesn't have to do everything. And there's really a few key people they should have in their circle if they want to be successful. And we're going to distill it down to three key roles today. And those are, from at least financial perspective, the financial protector, the financial communicator, and the financial enabler. And I want to talk a little bit about who those people are and what they can accomplish for a business owner.
Let's go with the first one, the financial protector.
Yeah, so the financial protector is really the person who's there to serve your financial interests and protect them. Everything you've built as a business owner, you don't want to be exposed to unnecessary risk. And so what we're really talking about here is your lawyer. And a lawyer for a business is doing a number of different things depending on where you are in your business cycle and what you need as a business owner. But primarily it's things like setting up your capital structure, ensuring that you have the right entities in place, whether it's holding companies, trust companies, opcos, limited liability. They're doing things like vetting your contracts. As a business owner, you're in a ton of different agreements and contracts, lease agreements, shareholder agreements, things alike. But they're also ensuring that you're well protected in arrangements with people like bankers when you're pledging security, ensuring that you're not overextending yourself. So that person is protecting you financially, and it's an essential to have a good lawyer in your corner that you trust if you want to feel protected in your business.
That's an integral role for sure. What about the communicator? Who's this?
So the communicator is a key person. We know that finances are not always the easiest thing for business owners to handle, right? I've often said on this show, you do a lot of things well as a business owner, but the financial piece can sometimes be a little bit abstract. So the communicator is somebody who's going to take and distill all that financial information, the cash flow, your balance sheet, and be able to tell a story with it. And who we're talking about here is an accountant, a good accountant in your corner. So they'll work with you and your bookkeeper to take everything that's going on and tell the story to the people who need to hear it. And the people who might need to hear it are maybe investors as a business owner that want to put some money into your company to help you grow. It could be a lender who's looking to provide you credit to help you realize your goals, or it could be somebody important like the CRA who wants their fair share and they need to have your financial position communicated. And so that's what the accountant would do. They also will communicate to you as a business owner. So it's not just external. They want to take what's going on in your world and be able to distill that to you so you can make decisions. So helping with pricing strategies or cost control or even strategic direction. They're taking everything that goes on in the world and communicating it to you as your financial communicator. And it's essential to have a really good accountant in your corner as a business.
So we have the protector, we have the communicator, and now we have the enabler.
Yeah, in theory, should be the one that I can talk the most about. It's, a good financial enabler is the one who's going to enable your growth. And this is your banking or credit union partner. And so when we talk about enabling, we talk about a few things. And one, it's access to capital. And a primary function of your banker is to be able to supply you the capital you need to acquire assets such as inventory or equipment, or maybe down the road you want to look to purchase a commercial location. The financial enabler is going to ensure that you can access that capital to get you there. But we also enable things such as your payment needs. So you have to receive money from your customers, or you might have to pay your employees, and that in and out efficiently and economically is something that we can help enable. But I think one of the more important things that people maybe overlook from the banker's perspective is we're well connected. An experienced banker knows the best lawyers, the best accountants, the best insurance brokers. And so they're going to enable those contacts and setting you up with the right people even outside of our sphere of influence. And so from an enabling standpoint on the financial side, we like to think that we can help enable your success on all different fronts there.
You've enabled us to do much better when it comes to our business. Thank you so much, Colin.
Thank you, Rick.
If you have, you can email questions to financefriday@firstontario.com. If your question or topic is selected to be covered on air, you will receive a gift card from First Ontario. More Morning Live coming up next.